Okay, so the family's at the poolside, but I'm not swimming because I didn't have a very good sleep last night. I think that's just an excuse, so maybe I'll just go and do some bicep training right now. So let's commence some bicep training. Last night I had one of the worst sleep ever, okay? I woke up because I was hungry at 3 AM, and then after that I couldn't really sleep very well, okay? But anyway, no excuse, even though I don't have enough rest. I shan't go so strenuous. Today, let's just do some bicep training. Ever since coming back from London, right, my sleep pattern has been so bad. Don't know why, I just can't seem to adjust back to Singapore time. So the next exercise I'm gonna do is dumbbell curls, just dumbbell curls, and then hammer curls. Anyway, all my exercises are all DIY, okay? Nothing professional at all. The stuff that I learned on YouTube over the many years, and also certain gym instructors here and there. Nothing professional at all. Okay, just the last set to go. Okay, that's all today. 4 sets of barbell curls, 4 sets of dumbbell curls, and 4 sets of immediate after each dumbbell curl hammer curls, okay? Today just to bulk up the biceps a little bit, and because of the lack of rest, right, I normally do 2 muscle groups a day. So normally something like bicep followed by tricep, okay? But today I think I need rest. I don't feel very good. I'm able to catch a nap this afternoon, which is close to impossible because I'm headed to work after this. I might do another muscle group followed by swimming. If not, then I gotta do it tomorrow. Tomorrow we're headed to a hotel vacation, staycation stay. So there's a gym there. I might continue over there. So do you guys see any improvement over here? Some improvements in the bicep today. Yay! Wow, even Jack is going rollerblading right now. So what's my excuse? Okay, I shall continue doing triceps. Let's go! Okay, we'll fix your bicycle soon. So I'm so proud of Jack now. His rollerblading is very good. Last set. Okay, so last set finished, alright? Don't forget to do your cool downs and warm-ups. That's it, alright? Everything finished. What's your excuse? No excuse, okay? I ended up doing a full, kind of like a full workout. Okay, so when you're doing your workout, right? Hi, wife. Okay. So today what we were working on was the bicep and the tricep. So this is to have thicker arms. So if you guys like to, okay, for the guys, right? If you all want to look more manly, tricep-bicep combination in a single day is one of my most vain workout. For young guys, before you go clubbing and all that, right? You should work on a chest, bicep, tricep. Just look super sexy, okay? So it looks very big on the camera is because there's a little bit of an illusion, yeah, because the arms are in front. So in real life, it's not that big. But who cares, right? Just do it for the Instagram, you know, yo! So tricep, bicep exercise, everything in less than 40 minutes. Peace out. Oh yes, and 1 scoop of protein powder. Yummy in my tummy. Okay, and what's for breakfast? Pretty healthy, huh? Yeah, and some ramen kind of noodles. Okay, that's it. I don't want to keep recording already, so sian. Bye.